All right, let's go over the pots and utensils that we're going to need today. We're going to be needing 2 saute pans or frying pans, one of which we're going to be using to saute our pork chop, and the other one we're going to be using first to cook up some onions and garlic, and then we'll add our chorizo, and then we'll add all of our dry ingredients and our ketchup and our water and our vinegar, and we're going to make our barbecue sauce from scratch. Then we're going to put that aside and let it cool. We're also going to be making some rice. We're going to toast our rice in here, and then we're going to make some veggie stock in this. We're going to add it to it, and then we're going to add our kidney beans or red beans, whichever one you want to use, and some oregano, and some salt and pepper, and we're going to put this lid on it and let that go down. We're also going to be using this baking sheet. We're going to be not roasting our vegetables entirely together, so we're going to split them into 2 different things. We're going to use this casserole dish and butter the things that are going to take a very short amount of time, and this one for the ones that will take a little bit longer. We're going to be mixing our vegetables in here because we're going to be making a salsa verde and spinning our vegetables in here. We're going to be using measuring cups, measuring spoons, a large spoon. We're going to use this spatula to get our vegetables out of the pan, a knife, a cutting board, and because we're using raw pork, we're going to be using a plastic glove.